this tutorial I will show you how to delete 1xBet account permanently. So if I open 1xBet app, and if I go over to settings, there is no direct way to delete your account. So there is workaround how to do it. You need to contact the customer support of 1xBet. Close the app and go to your Gmail. And you need to write email to 1xBet support. Now you want to write a brief description or a brief message regarding why you want to delete your account and you want to request to delete your account. You no longer need this account. This is the only way to delete your 1xBet account.